What is HIDREAM and what's it for? Well, as you can see on screen, HIDREAM is this new AI from China that they've recently released. It lets us generate images and videos using AI, use its API, and has all the features you'd expect from an AI for image generation. We can use it on platforms like Comfy UI, Hugging Face, since it's open source, or directly on their website. You can get it locally or try it for free if that's what you're after. So jump in now, just head to HIDREAM and start creating AI videos and images. How and where can you use HIDREAM, the new Chinese AI for image creation? You can visit their website hydream.ia. It's in Chinese, but translate it and you can log in to try it for free. There's also Hugging Face, which we've covered in a video, where you can use it for free on their website and Spaces. Try this AI and see how easily you can create images. You can also run it locally, which is more complex. We have a guide using Comfy UI. If it's not uploaded yet, it will be soon. We have it ready for you. These are the 3 ways you can use this new image generation tool. As you can see, it produces amazing results. So what are you waiting for? Start using it. How do we create our first HIDREAM account? First, I recommend translating this page as it's always in Chinese. What you need to do is find your country's phone code. As you can see, if you translate here, it'll be in your language. You'll need to select your country, enter your number, and get a verification code. Once you enter the code here, you can create your first session. As you can see, I just did it and got a successful login message. Now I have my first account with 80 credits to use. We can start testing this AI on their website with these 80 free credits. Let's explore all the options HIDREAM offers. We're currently on its homepage, and as you can see, there are various sections on the left. These represent all we can do with this AI, which is quite a lot. It might look like just 3 or 4 sections, but they're packed with features. First, we have AI video generation. You can upload an image or even convert text to video. Next, there's an image generation section where you can create images from simple text prompts. We also have image editing similar to Magic Eraser. If you're not familiar with Magic Eraser, there's a guide available. It's an amazing tool, and this one's very similar. Plus, there's another section from 3D generation using images or text. We can create 3D images or text. We'd input our desired prompt here and it would generate that 3D text or those 3D images. It also has a toolbox with AI options like image enhancement, AI repainting, smart erasing of unwanted elements, intelligent extensions, video improvement, and even image animation. This shows the range of capabilities we have with this program. As I mentioned, what we can achieve with this software is quite extensive and impressive. Vamos a ver cómo funciona la opción de mejorar la calidad de nuestras fotos dentro de HIDREAM. Para ello vamos a ir dentro de caja de herramientas, vamos a darle a mejorar la imagen, y dentro de esta parte de HIDREAM lo que vamos a hacer es subir una imagen y vamos a elegir cómo queremos que la mejore. Si queremos que la mejore 2 veces más fuerte o 4 veces más fuerte, o sea, si queremos que haga 1x2 o 1x4 a esta imagen. Como veis, yo he elegido una imagen con ruido, vamos a darle a 4 veces más fuerte. Y como veis, ya nos había hecho esa mejora de esa imagen, pero aquí no se nota mucho porque tiene demasiado ruido la imagen, así que vamos a ver si realmente es que la IA es mejorable o si el problema era de la imagen. Vamos a buscar otra imagen, un caso más normal porque este era muy heavy. Como veis, he elegido esta imagen que tengo aquí y vamos a darle a mejorar 4 veces más fuerte otra vez, a ver qué es lo que sucede. Y como vemos, aquí tenemos el resultado final. Sí que ha mejorado bastante la imagen, ahora mismo a lo mejor no notamos, pero vamos a descargárnosla para ver esas diferencias. Como veis, aquí tenemos las 2 imágenes y como estáis viendo se nota bastante diferencia. Si nosotros hacemos aquí zoom, veis que se ve ruido dentro del faro, dentro de toda esta parte negra, se nota el ruido en la imagen, pero en cambio en esta que nos ha ofrecido se ve muchísimo menos ruido, se ve muy claro la figura, o sea, le doy prácticamente un excelente, ¿eh? La imagen es igual, literalmente no me ha cambiado nada y me ha mejorado ese por 4 súper bien. O sea que así es como podrías mejorar vuestra calidad y como veis el resultado es increíble. Let's see how we can use this HIDREAM AI eraser tool. To do this, we need to go to the toolbox section in HIDREAM and click on Smart Eraser. Once there, we upload an image and specify what we want to remove. As you can see, I've uploaded this image and now I'll tell it what to change. How? By selecting it. Simple. I'll indicate what I want to erase, which in this case is the frisbee. We'll use the brush, adjusting its size as needed, and start painting over what we want to erase. Once done, we'll click AI removal, and it'll start processing to remove what you've selected. As we can see, it tries to remove it, but oddly puts something inappropriate in the dog's mouth. As we can see, it's not working well in this case. It's not painting properly. The box mode removed a bit more, but let's try with larger, more complete objects instead of specific items. The frisbee alone might not work well. Let's remove the whole dog with the frisbee and see if it leaves a clean background without them. As we can see, we've done it, but the result isn't great. We tried, but as you can see, it doesn't work perfectly. It's not the best tool. It works, but leaves a blurry background. Honestly, it's not the best tool for erasing images. Let's see how we can generate images with HIDREAM. We'll go to the image generation section and I'll show you how it works. First, we have a keyword section. This is used to tell the AI exactly what we want our image to be. Instead of giving a full prompt, we'll use keywords and can add tags. To make this easier, we'll type what we want to generate here, and it'll give us keywords that will help create the exact image we're looking for. We'll click Use Keyword and it'll put everything here, giving us the full prompt, just like that. We now have an AI helper, and then we add tags. What are tags for? This section allows us to specify exactly how we want the image created. How? We have a color panel where we can switch between different shades for the exact contrast we want. If it glitches, like if you go to color, then stylographic, and the text stays the same while images change, go back to favorites, then stylographic again, and it should update the text properly. You can choose from many stylographic options. As you can see, there are tons. I'll use the immersive design, and you can do this for each section. You've got perspectives, composition, hairstyle, a bit of everything you might want. We can even adjust the quality settings for our final image output. This level of customization is truly incredible. After adding all these tags, we could upload a reference image, but we won't in this case as it's not necessary. Now we just need to set the image size we want to use, whether it's 16:9:3:4 or 4:3. In my case, I'll use 3:4. We could input a seed for a specific result, but it's usually left at 0 for a random seed, giving you a unique image. So I recommend leaving it as is. Lastly, choose the number of images to generate from 1 to 4. Note that you can only create 2 for free at a time. With this prompt from the bot and all our specifications set, let's hit generate and start creating the images. As you can see, these 2 final results are exactly what we asked for. As you can see, the quality isn't the best right now. It's not exceptional because I've activated relaxed mode due to limited credit. Still, the result is incredible, and as you've seen, it's free. It's mind-blowing, really. I just set these colors for an autumn theme. As you can see, red maple leaf, immersive design, silhouette composition, and ultra definition. Exactly what it created. A super interesting feature is that it gives us tips to improve our prompts and generate better images, plus the magic words we've used. It shows the full seed of what we've generated, and we can convert it to video, download it, or upload it to the app. So this is how you can generate images, how the software works. It's not the simplest, and how you can create custom high quality designs. Let's see how we can generate videos from an image with HIDREAM. This section works similarly to images, but with some differences. Why? First, we need to upload an image. We'll set the aspect ratio we want. As you can see, we can change it. We'll click OK. Now we'll write what we want to happen in the video. As always, we'll use the prompt robot. What's this for? It helps us create a full prompt with keywords. We tell it what we want, and it generates a perfect prompt. We'll input our idea, click OK, and it generates the prompt. Next, we have an expression section where we can upload a reference video. Now comes the killer feature, the motion brush. What's this for? With the sports brush, we can select parts of the image to animate, adding a trajectory to the chosen section. We can use an arrow to guide the animation, customizing it to our liking for maximum personalization. This isn't strictly necessary, but you can do it for full customization. Let's try without it and then adjust the video intensity. Increasing intensity adds more movement, decreasing reduces it. We'll set it to 12, not too high. We can also set a seed. Certain seeds generate images we prefer. We can add negative prompts to avoid unwanted elements in the result. Anyway, this doesn't matter right now. Let's hit generate and see how it starts creating the video. It even shows us the estimated time it'll take. Now we'll have to wait for the final result. As we can see, it's just arrived, so let's take a look. Look at the final result. The feet might need work, but notice how it captures the snow, detects the hair, and moves the cape. It's really impressive. We could improve it by requesting 4K. Inside, we can see the seed size and process details. We could add it to favorites to save it or upload it for others to see our result. That's all you can do. As you see, this AI can create amazing videos, images, and edit. It does it all. Let's see how we can create videos from text. We'll go to the text to video section where the magic begins. First, we need to enter a prompt describing what we want to happen in this video. we'll use the prompt suggestion tool, which you can see right here. Basically, we'll tell it what we want to create in this image. It'll then describe and create an ideal prompt for us. After entering what we want, we'll hit enter. It'll think and give us the exact words to generate it in the best way possible. With this generated, we'll use keywords and it'll directly send us the prompt it has created. Next, we'll adjust the intensity of the exercise. Increasing it will generate more movement in the image and decreasing it will reduce movement. Let's try with a bit of movement in the middle, not too much or too little, and finally we'll decide on the graphic style we want to use. I'll leave it at 16 or more. You can set it to 16 or 1.1. Lastly, we could choose a seed to get specific results. Leaving it blank will use a random seed, which is normal and recommended. That's what I suggest. And finally, we could add a negative prompt. This helps us specify what we don't want in the image. If there's something specific we don't want, something it keeps doing, we tell it, and this way we avoid it with all this setup. Let's generate it, and as we see, it's already created the video we requested. There's the elephant in the water I asked for, and it's not bad, though it has some flaws that could be improved. As you see, to finish, you can have it do the same or enhance to 4K. We can also add negatives if we want to improve certain things, but the result, as you see, is quite good for a text-to-video. I haven't seen any text-to-video that produces such good results, and here you could download it or save it as a favorite if you want. So that's how we could do text-to-video using HIDREAM. Let's see how to create 3D images without failing like I did before. We'll generate 3D images and text. First, upload an image of the specific object you want in 3D. The 3D result will be a dynamic, rotating view. Important, upload an object image, not a whole scene. I'll upload this ball, confirm, and hit generate. Now we wait for the 3D view of the ball spinning. Here's the final result, our 3D ball. It's not perfect, but it's a start for this app. We can do this with text too. Let's try text as our word. I'm so original, and generate. It'll create 3D text for us. We'd wait, but it seems to be stuck loading. It's not working now, but that's how you'd make 3D text like the ball. Let's look at the payment plans for this incredible tool called HIDREAM. As you can see, we have a monthly subscription option that we can pay for, or an annual subscription package. The tool is priced in yuan since it's from China. We have both an annual package and a monthly subscription option. This is the price for each annual package. You can do the math, but we'll focus on the monthly plan, which offers the same features but on a monthly basis, and it's likely the one most of you will use first. We have the basic plan, which is the first one here. It's about $2 and offers all the platform's features plus 240 points to generate images, videos, or whatever you want. The key thing is that all these plans have the same functions. They integrate the same features. You can use everything, but you'll get more points for each of these plans. Plus, this app has something really interesting. They give you points for logging in daily. If you log in today, tomorrow, or later, you'll get usable points. Basically, it rewards you for logging in every day. That's with the basic plan, but the pro plan offers more. It's 800 credits plus login bonuses and all basic features. As I said, video creation, images, editing, and downloads. No watermarks too. All plans remove watermark. All this combined with what I mentioned, 800 credits to use, plus the points you get for logging in. Then there's the plus plan with videos, images, all the same. It's about $20 and gives you 2,600 points. Not bad at all. And includes login points too. As I mentioned, it removes the watermark, which is standard. No need to repeat it always, but I'll say it just in case. Finally, we have the max plan, which costs about $55. It offers everything, including watermark removal and video/photo creation, plus 7,800 app points, and those earned from logging in. So that's what each payment plan offers and what we could get by subscribing to each one.